Hello students, today we are starting a new topic from your writing compositions, and that is your writing official letters. So what is a letter? A letter is a written or printed communication directed to a person or organization. Letters can be created or sent as email or electronic transmissions, hand delivered transmissions or regular mail transmissions. So what are the points we have to keep in mind? We should be very focused. Avoid choppy sentences. Don't be so concise that you become blunt in your tone. Use terminology and concepts related to the industry or field. Avoid vagueness. You should be quite specific in writing your sentences or statements. Now, what is the format? You can see the format. In the writing of official letters, there is a difference from other formal letters. Here we don't write sender's address. We start with this receiver's name, rank or address. Then we write date. Then we have to write the theme of formal letter in the form of subject. Then we have to write salutation. This is to the addressee. If he is a man, then there will be sir, or otherwise there will be madam. Then there is the body of the letter, and then in the end there is subscription and signature. Now, what attention should be paid while we writing the paragraphs? The first paragraph should be short and state the purpose of the letter, to make an inquiry, complaint, request, and etc. The paragraph or paragraphs in the middle of the letter should contain the relevant information behind the writing of the letters. Most letters in the English are not very long, so keep the information to the essential and concentrate on organizing it in a clear and logical manner, rather than expending too much. The last paragraph of a formal letter should state what action you expect from the recipient to take to refund, send you information. And after writing your letter, you have to proofread your letter. Before you send the letter, read over it a few times to make sure it conveys what you want it to say and that it is free of spelling or grammatical errors. And in the end, you have to give a complimentary close, like sincerely yours, kindest regards, best wishes. Now there are some lines which we can use. I wish to draw your attention to. I would suggest that. I suggest that immediate steps to be taken to. I wish to complain about. And the other, I look forward to a prompt reply and hope that you will take into consideration. I am really dissatisfied with it. So that's all. Thank you.